let's get this hood off.
Alright, first things first, make sure you have something supporting the hood. Then start taking these little clips off just to get you a flat head underneath it. The first one will pop off, and then this one, kind of turn it after you get underneath the little lip. Pull it off, pull the washer off. Right here, these springs will get your hand, so you're just going to want to pull it back and barely release it out. Cut all your zip ties, make sure all your harnesses are unplugged. Make sure you keep what's on the hood and what's off the hood separated. Those are 18mm bolts. We'll come back and take them loose in a minute. Alright, so here, cut the other zip ties, and how you unplug this is you just squeeze the little buttons right there and it'll come right apart. So you don't have to take this off, but I do because it's just easier for me and it's easier to fall back. Whenever I'm removing the hood, I can get it out of my way so it's not stuck in this position. But you don't have to take it off. It does make life a little bit easier, so when them 18mm bolts come off, it'll fall back. And then I just put the clips back on so I don't lose them. Alright, so same thing over here. You'll watch that flathead go right up in there and it pops off. And then right there you'll see there's little engraved marks on it, and you just kind of twist it. Like I said before though, it will get your fingers, so just pull it back to you and slowly release it. Make sure there's something supporting this head and these steps. Alright, so now we take these guys loose. There's going to be a nut, a washer, and then like a rubber boot. Take all of them out. Sometimes you gotta use a flathead, but I didn't have to on these. Now I'm just separating the bracket from the hood. You just need a little gap in here. Just like that. See, I was able to move it a lot easier with that undone. Do this out the same way. Now we're releasing it and backing off. As you can see, we got a pallet fully securing it with a forklift. And that's how you remove it.